Good afternoon, students. Standard 4th, subject EVS 1. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn chapter number 21, Management of Community Life. Now children, look at this picture carefully. What you can see in this picture, where they are going and why they are standing here. Let's move forward and see. Shraddha, Aisha and Emily's parents decided to take a trip in the summer vacation. They booked a special minibus for the trip. In the morning, everyone got ready. They waited for the bus for a long time, but it did not arrive. Now you understood, children, why these people are standing here? They are waiting for the minibus to arrive. When they made inquiries on the phone, they realized that the driver of the bus did not know where exactly they were all waiting. Finally, the bus arrived and they set off on their trip. Now children, what caused the confusion in the trip? What would you suggest to avoid this kind of confusion? Now children, to do any kind of work smoothly, some management is required. Now what is management? You must be thinking, what is management? Now the first step in management is to prepare an outline of how and when the work is to be done. If we are going to be working in a group, the outline must be clearer and more detailed. One has to decide what task each person will carry out. Each person must know clearly how to carry it out. Proper coordination has to be maintained among the people involved. We also need to make sure that each person is doing his/her work properly. Now this is called management. Now children, walking down on the roads and streets, sometimes you see the accidents. So why do accidents occur on the streets? And why must we follow traffic rules? Now these are the questions you must be thinking. So let's see what is the answer for it. Now children, rules guide us about how to behave in society. Because of rules, we can be sure that everyone will behave in a particular manner. Now see children, rules are very important. Rules give us guidelines as to how to behave in society. Now rules are also there in the school. For example, because we know that everyone will drive their car on the left hand side, we can also drive a car in the same way safely. If we did not know whether the vehicle coming towards us would come from the left or right, we would also get confused. Rules are made so that the community life can go on in a smooth and orderly manner. Earlier, customs and traditions form the basic of rules. Now, it is the government that makes the rule after independence. A constitution was framed for a country. The constitution provides the fundamental framework for governing the country. It lays down the principles on which a society is organized and developed the elected representatives to run the country according to the Constitution. Now, children, in this picture you can see a woman drawing water at a well. Here, children are playing in the park. Now, street lights are maintained on the streets. Okay, you can see traffic police standing over here. The duty of him is to look that all vehicles, the people follow the rules on the traffic rules and follow the signals properly. Here you can see a van collecting garbage in a city. Now you can see this van every morning outside your society or locality collecting all the garbage thrown. Now children, we are dependent on many people for things needed in our daily life. We need water for drinking, washing, for agriculture and also for animals. It is necessary to clear the garbage in our neighborhood every day. We need roads, street lights, schools, hospitals, public parks and gardens. Fulfilling these needs is the responsibility of the local government body. People elect their representatives to the local government body to attend to these needs. Now children, what do we learn in this lesson? What we have learned? Management is necessary for any work to be done properly. A detailed plan is necessary for group work. If work is carried out according to the plan, it is done smoothly and on time. The school management committee works to ensure the all-round development of children, and the local government body provides facilities for the daily needs of the people. Thank you, children.